everybody, this is Dikti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. Today we are going to make chocolate stirrers. But इसमें थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है. आज हम इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग चॉकलेट स्टरर्स बनाने वाले हैं. तो चलिए इसकी रेसिपी देखते हैं. For making immunity booster chocolate stirrers, we need haldi powder. So this is turmeric. We need coffee powder. We also need so this is Ojasvita. Okay, you can also use Bonvita or any milk. Chocolate milk powder that you normally use at home. So Ojasvita is Ayurvedic chocolate powder which has goodness of lot of herbs. So I usually give my son this particular drink. Okay, so I'm going to use chocolate flavor Ojasvita. I'm also going to use strawberry flavored Ojasvita. And this is Thandai masala powder. Now this is homemade Thandai masala powder which I am using. Now if you want to know how to make this Thandai masala powder, please check the description box where the recipe of this Thandai masala powder is available. Now for this entire recipe, the quantity of the chocolate and the powders that I have taken is mentioned in the description box. So please do check it out. Okay, and we'll be using white chocolate over here. So let's get started with the recipe. Divide the chocolate, melted chocolate, into 4 equal quantities. And now you can start adding the powder. So here I am putting haldi. In this I am going to put coffee and also chocolate. Here goes Thandai and in that goes strawberry milk powder. Now mix this very well. In this you can also add just a pinch of cinnamon. Okay, so this is how it looks. If you feel that the chocolate is less, you can always increase the quantity of chocolate in your mixtures. Okay, but this is good to go. Now what you can do is, for making chocolate stirrers, you can use these cups. So these are tea or coffee cups that usually we use at home, right? So you can use this. You can get it from the stationery shop, or you can use such molds. Okay, so this is silicone mold that I'll be using. And since this is a stirrer, you will be using such kind of sticks. If you are also going to use the cups, you can go ahead and use the spoon in that. Okay, so even that looks absolutely beautiful. Now you can use these ice cream sticks, and as the chocolate sets in, you can easily insert them into the chocolate. So now this chocolate is almost set, hence the sticks are standing upright. Otherwise you can give some support. Okay, now this goes into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remaining chocolate I am going to pour it into these particular cups. Now, like I said, you can use these spoons. Let's decorate them further. So for Thandai stirrer, I am just going to use some rose petals. For strawberry, I have used these cherries. You can also use freeze-dried raspberries or freeze-dried strawberries for this particular thing. For the chocolate and coffee one, you can use some Oreo to just give it a better look, but it is completely optional. Even using coffee is completely optional. If you really want it to be immunity booster, then you can completely skip the coffee in this. Okay, and on top of this, since it is looking beautifully yellowish, I am just going to put some pistachio powder. This will kind of give me the look of Rasmalai chocolate stirrer. Okay, so this is what your chocolate stirrers. Now this will go into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. The chocolate is set very well. It's been 20 minutes and what you need to do is just try to loosen it from the sides and pick it up. Okay, so have a look at this. Very easily they are coming out, and you can reuse this cup. Just turn them slightly and they will come off. So you can see how beautiful they are looking, right? Nobody can believe that this is made using haldi powder. It is giving that rasmalai kind of flavor look to this particular chocolate. Okay, now you can also pack these. So for packing these, you get variety of wrappers in the market, but I prefer to use the transparent ones. Okay, you can tie them like that, and you can also put a ribbon around them. You can use them for big sales and you can sell them like this, or what you can do is you get variety of packaging boxes in the market. So depending on whichever festival you are going to make this for, you can use such containers. Okay, and they will stay easily into that. You can actually fill this entire hamper box using variety of stuff, like depending on whichever festival you are going to use it. Say for example, you are going to use this box as a hamper box, Rakhi hamper box, or you are going to make it for Raksha Bandhan. You can also put Rakhi into this, or Roli Chawal, and you can also put brownie into this, and then you can gift it. Okay, so such kind of boxes, they look absolutely amazing. They look very beautiful, and for gifting point of view, they also look too good. So such kind of boxes, they look very presentable. So whenever you are going to gift it to somebody, rather than just giving a stick, you can present it in a box like that. There are variety of boxes that you get in the market depending on which festival you are going to make it for. Even if you are going to make it for your birthday return gifts, you can actually give them as is, or you can put them into jute bags. Even that will look absolutely good. You can also use such packaging boxes. So like I was saying, in the market you get variety of such boxes. So these are actually the bags, and they also look very beautiful. Just put all your stirrers into this bag and lock them. Okay, you can also put your bakery sticker into this. These kind of bags you can present. The chocolate stirrers are ready, और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कलरफुल लग रहे हैं. Now let me show you how to use them. So as you can see, the milk is very hot. This is a milk stirrer that we are going to use. So just put your stirrer into this, and you will see after a while the chocolate will start melting. So keep stirring and you will see the color of milk changing. See, even the milk has got that natural beautiful color. So I'm sure your kids are going to love it. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी भी है और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्दी भी है. So you don't have to worry about anything. You can pack them beautifully and use it as a return gift for birthday parties. And what is more important over here is that they are completely healthy. The haldi that we have used, or thandai masala powder, the ingredients of that, it has all the goodness of dry fruits. You can use them for any festivals like Holi, Diwali, Rakhi, Christmas, or you can even make them on Children's Day. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box how it turned out. I hope you have loved today's video. So please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video comes in, you get notified about it. Thank you so much.